Introducing the Rexing V3 and V3 basic dash cams. First, place the included 3M tape onto the back of the camera mount. Orient the mount squarely between the roof and hood line of the vehicle and press firmly for 20 seconds to attach to the windshield. Insert a Class 10 UHS 1 or higher micro SD card into the memory card opening. Gently push the card in until you hear a click. Connect the power cord to your vehicle's 12-volt DC power outlet. With the micro SD card inserted, power on the device. Use the settings button and arrow keys to navigate the menu and select Format. Tap Yes and press OK to confirm selection. Place the dash camera onto the mount. Carefully run the power cable around the windshield, hiding any remaining cables under the roof panel and trim. The Rexing dash cam is now ready to automatically start recording once powered on.